Welcome back. Now in this video we will create some dart files. The first one that we will create simply for the profile screen and also for the search product, and we have already created the welcome screen. So let's go ahead and create the directory first. Right in the lib, right click, create a new directory, and we will give the name profile screen. Now right in this directory, right click, create a new dot file, give the name profile screen. So now right in this dot file you will have a stateful widget, so write st, and now we will give the name, which will be profile screen. In here we don't need this key, simply tell that and click upon that stateful widget, import the library material.dart. From now on you will just add the title right in the profile screen. So whenever we will click upon the text button that we will create right in the home screen, so it will just send us right to this specific screen, which will be profile screen. So there is going to be kind of title. So what I'll do in here, I'll just copy that. So from here to here, just copy that, and we will go back to the profile screen.dart, and in here you will have a scaffold. Right in there you'll have app bar, so app bar in there. Now provide the title and then paste the code. Okay, so we have copied the title before, so remove that one title from here and all just good, as you guys can see. In here remove that comma, all just fine now. Okay, there has been gone. So whenever, as I told you already, we will click upon the text button that we will create right in the home screen, so it will just send the user towards the profile screen, and right in the profile screen there will be an app bar in which it will show that title. Okay, and we will just change this to profile screen so that we know it's a profile screen. Okay, now we will just go back and right in the home screen, I'll just remove that from here, and right in the app bar first we will set the automatically empty reading, set this to false. It's gonna give the leading space given to the title if it's false, and the leading will be no. So let's move further. Now right down here you will take the action. Right in the action you will have a text button, as I told you already. It's going to take the on press even and also child, as you guys can see. For now just remove that, and we will add this just in a while. In here comma, and now right in the text button provide the on press even. For now on we will just leave this empty. Okay, now below this in here let's provide the child, and we will do some padding in here as usual. As insect, we will go with the as insect dot all. It's going to apply that to all side, so it's going to be 10.0, and let's take the child icon. We'll set the icon for the profile screen. So in here icons you will go with the person. You can go with this one, whatever you want. I'll go with that one because we will set this for the profile. In here color, and let's go with the color. Let me just see, we'll go with the green, as you guys can see right in here. Okay, now in here add the const modifier, and guys, I have already hot reloaded the app, so I'll just press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice the icon. Okay, that specific icon for the profile screen. Press the Ctrl S, and there we go, as you guys can see in here. Okay, it's a green color. I hope it's visible. Okay, let me also change the color, set it to black, Control S, and boom, there we go. Okay, it's in black, as you guys can see right in here. So I think green was more good. I'll go back to green. That is fine, as you guys can see now in here. Okay, also right in the click event on press event, we will set the navigator, so whenever the user will press on this specific icon, it will just send the user right towards the profile screen. Okay, so what we will do for this purpose, we will set the navigator. Okay, navigator dot push replacement. We're gonna provide a new route. New route is gonna be material page route. In here, provide the contacts. As you guys can see from here, we'll take this down so that you guys can see it easily. Now just simply redirect the user towards the profile screen that we just created while ago. Okay, and right at end in here provide the semicolon. All just go. Now what I'll do is auto load the app, and we will check it if it will send the user right towards the profile screen or not, and we will also check the data, okay, right in the app bar that we just said before. So come here and click upon this icon person, okay, for the profile screen that we said before. Click upon that and boom, there we go. Okay, and you guys can see that app bar in here we set the profile title screen. Okay, so it's working totally fine. Now we will go back towards the home screen. So we didn't add the back icon yet, so what I'll do, I'll just refresh the app again so that we can go back to the home screen. Later on we will add the back icon button, so there is no need of for the back button now, and it's working totally fine. We test that. And also we will just do one thing for this app bar. Let me just first, so the thing in here, we will just rearrange the color, so just for the app bar guys. Okay, so that orange color will be right on this side and the green color will be right on this side. So what I'll do, cut this from here and paste it in here, and the teal will come here. Okay, I just test that if it's look good or not. Control S, and there we go. Okay, I think the first one was more good, so let's rearrange it again. Control S, and there we go. Okay, now that's it for this video. Right from the next video we will work further, so see ya. And we are already on the home screen. Okay, this one.